Hello and welcome to the KMT Trader channel. We're looking at Gbpusd. We're just going to look at some areas of where we can get into the market, and I'll kind of give you an insight of my overall bias. So just before I tell you where we begin, where we're looking at, I'm just going to take you to the daily right here. Right, so we've broken our downtrend downtrend on the daily time frame, right? We come up to get this exhaustion phase where we're kind of coming up here and we're slowing down, so momentum's a lot been choppy in between here, and we've pulled down from our resistance level at 1.2569, and now if we look at this daily candle here on the 25th, an instant bearish engulfing candle off of another weekly key resistance level that we have at 1.2488, and this gives me a reason to believe that we are ultimately aiming back down to our lows here to as far as 1.2, so all the way back here. So that's where I am anticipating this level as of now. So with 3 days full of selling pressure, it's clear that we are in a selling momentum right now. So what I want to do is look into areas of where price is best to get our entry in for the overall selling condition. So we can look at all these highs here, but in particular this reversal zone here, just because of this huge wick to the push to the upside, which is a demand zone that we have got here. So this level of zone is between 1.2365 to 383. So this small area is where we're potentially putting our entries in here. So what we are anticipating is something like this. So a push to the upside, we get that rejection that we want to see, and then hopefully we push to make our monthly low. Monthly key level, which is at 1.220, and we may expect some rejection at this point. So potentially our TP1 could be around there, so roughly about 140 pips. And another potential profit point would be here just before the breakout, just in case it reverses higher. That would be roughly 73 pips. So looking out for this area would be key, but nonetheless, if price does close above on the 4-hourly, and we get that retest here, and price pushes above, then we could be aiming to retest this level here that we already rejected earlier, and that's at 1.2488 in the previous week. So that's what we will be looking out for this week. If you have taken anything away from any of our videos, make sure you are subscribed to our videos, just to gauge your understanding a bit more with how we're trading, and also you get to see our future analysis as well. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next week.